Good morning. So we got an earlier start. And we got our first order. It's for Sprouts all the way in South Philly. I'm hoping the person is close to the Sprouts because I'm gonna be pissed the fuck off here. I got my milk thistle and bitter melon tea this morning. I'm prepared. Like, I'm very proud of us this morning. Got my granola bar because I don't really be eating breakfast like that. And I'm about to get started. Put the pot on. Me and my baby are up and ready to make some money. And we're going to a Sprouts first. And Sprouts does not have parking, which is very irritating. So, like, that's another thing that, like, with grocery delivery, like, most grocery stores and, like, convenience stores that we go to have parking. But some places like this place don't have parking. So it's like, do y'all compensate that? Do I clean that later? Like, how does that work? Or do I just, you know, consider that a part of the cost like gas? So that's the only thing. But we're up. I got up at 6. I felt really good. I felt really good when I woke up. I got like 5 hours of sleep. Yeah, like 5 hours of sleep. It took me like a good hour to fall asleep. But I'm going to train myself to get up that early. I came in exactly at 12. I left from where I was my last ride around like 11:30. It wasn't giving what it was supposed to have gave. Like, I was only at $70 last night, and I knew 30 minutes I could have made that $30, but I would have been really far off, and I would have been off my schedule. So I didn't want to be off my schedule. I feel like once I get on my schedule, I can compensate, you know, make up for that with what I do today, as long as I'm on time. So I didn't want to jeopardize that. But yeah, so I'm hoping I have a really positive day. Got tea, got water, we got all our snacks, got JB's bottle. He didn't ask for a bottle this morning yet, so that's good. That's gonna last us a good while, hopefully. Pampers, wipes, wallet. Do I have my wallet? Okay, wallet. I have my wallet. I have my corner shop. I have my Instacart card. Have my cards, my ID, all that good shit. And we ready to go. I'm gonna check back in after we get the Sprouts.
We actually respect that.
Alright, so that was a bit better than my first time yesterday. So I'm about to see where she lives. Let's see. Next, start delivery. Navigate. 21 minutes away. That is very irritating. She lives 21 minutes away. We go. That's a little annoying, I'm not gonna lie, but it's not that bad. It's not that bad. Fastest route. So we leaving here at 8:19. I don't remember what time I got here. I feel like I was in there for maybe 35 minutes. I got a little tripped up on one of the items, and then like one of the items needed a replacement, and she was like, yeah, I need to see a picture of the all the options. So I'm like, from the brand or just all the options? It was like pancake mix. She said, I want to see a picture of the shelf. I said, girl, and the shelf had a lot of options of the organic cake mix, pancake mix. So I'm like, that's literally every item. Like, what? So I just made the delivery. It wasn't that bad. It was easy. Just getting here from where I was a whole 25 minutes with traffic. So I think what I'm gonna do is go camp out at a store. Okay, never mind. So I got a batch. Store opens at 9 a.m. Aldi on 44th and Market. I'm kind of glad it's only one delivery, so we on the move. Like, we getting shit together. I'm so hyped. I was like, wait, like, is shit coming in? Okay, I guess because the stores are opening. Yeah, so I got an Aldi delivery. I'm about to head there now. It's not far from where I am, so that's good. Navigate. And back to the pod, you know, to the pod father, whatever.
Some of that shit was pre-recorded.
5 minutes away. Alright, so I'm at Aldi and I just got here. The store is not open yet. It's a whole line in front of the store. Didn't know that Aldi was this popping, but it don't open for another 2 minutes, so everybody lined up. But I ain't about to be out there with my baby lined up, like, no. So soon as I'm about to text the person and let them know that I'm here at the store, waiting for them to open, give them my little greeting, and see what's up. You better not drop that. I'm not playing. JB, stop yelling.